This is X1000. Just we announced this camcorder at IFA, and this camcorder can record up to 4K 60p or 50p, and onto our SD memory card. So there are two SD memory card slots onto your camcorder. So you can record one full, then switch automatically to another, or simultaneously you can record onto the both SD memory card. Codec is H.64, and 4K 60p or 50p as a bit rate is 150 megabps. And also for Full HD, that's intra compressed mode. That one is 200 megabps, more like broadcasting type of the codec speed. Sensor is 1 by 2.3 inches sensor, and one MOS CMOS sensor. And this one has even this small size, 20 times optical zoom, and 3 manual links, HDMI out here. And also there are several USB 3.0 host and device features. So if you put hard disk drive USB 3.0 with this one, then you can copy the data to hard disk drive without PC. Will be available hopefully this November, and price will be just under below the €3,000.